This is for the hustlers and the bustlers, for the movers and the shakers and the rule breakers. This is for the Imagineers and future careers, for the happy and the sad, the peaceful and the mad, the best friend you ever had. This is for the deal, the date. This is real, this can't wait. This is for the where, the how, the here and now, for here and there and everywhere. This is for night and day, for work and play, for seeking the truth, for finding the way. This is for sharing and caring, living and loving, buying and selling, discovering. This is for coming together, whatever the weather. This is for hopes and dreams and tweets and memes. This is for making it, for taking it on. This is for her and him, for us and them. This is for Kenya, for what we can do. This is for you.